In the initial chapters of Book 2 of Dune by Frank Herbert, the narrative picks up with the characters grappling with the immediate aftermath of treachery and the shifting dynamics of power on the desert planet of Arrakis, also known as Dune. The stakes are significantly raised as the central characters, Paul Atreides and his mother Jessica, find themselves deep within the hostile confines of the desert. Contemplating their precarious position and plotting their next move amidst the daunting realization of the forces aligned against them. Chapter 1 opens with Jessica awakening from a nightmare, only to find her son Paul, the young heir of House Atreides, deeply engrossed in thoughts of vengeance against the Harkonnens, their archenemies who have engineered the fall of their house. Paul, exhibiting an acute strategic mindset, aided by his training and potential prescient abilities, identifies the native Fremen of Arrakis as the key to unlocking the desert power inherent to the planet. This pivotal realization marks the beginning of a subtle yet profound alliance with the Fremen, whose mastery of the harsh desert environment is unparalleled. Paul and Jessica, aided by equipment provided by Dr. Yua, their betrayer who yet showed them kindness in his final moments, expertly utilize Fremen tools such as the still suit, a garment designed to minimize water loss in the arid conditions, to navigate the unforgiving landscape. In a tense moment, they observe Harkonnen ornithopters scanning the desert, searching for survivors of the Atreides household to eliminate, underlining the perilous nature of their situation. Chapter 2 shifts focus to Thufir Hawat, the master strategist and mentat of House Atreides, now stranded in the desert with a contingent of his men, also evading the Harkonnen patrols. Hawat, overwhelmed by the magnitude of the Harkonnen onslaught, reflects on the astronomical cost of the invasion, hinting at the deep strategic importance and economic value Arrakis holds as the sole source of the spice melange. Within this contemplation, Hawat harbors suspicion and resentment towards Jessica, wrongly assuming her to be a traitor, a sentiment that underscores the complex web of intrigue and mistaken perceptions among the characters. The arrival of a Fremen witnesses a clash of cultures and the harsh realities of survival on Arrakis, as Hawat and his men are introduced to the concept of a water decision, the pragmatic and respectful Fremen practice of reclaiming water from the dead, a practice alien and shocking to the uninitiated, but a stark illustration of the value of water on the desert planet. This encounter also serves as a testament to the formidable prowess of the Fremen, as Hawat learns of their capturing Sardaukar, a feat previously deemed impossible given the latter's reputation as formidable warriors, further amplifying his astonishment at the resilience and capabilities of the Fremen. As the chapter unfolds, Hawat's strategic acumen is taken by surprise as they witness the tactical finesse of the Fremen, managing to ambush a Sardaukar group and commandeering their thopter, a demonstration of their guile and martial prowess. The subsequent sacrifice of a Fremen to destroy an approaching Sardaukar troop carrier encapsulates the Fremen's deep-seated resolve and their willingness to part with their most valuable resource, their lives, for the cause of freedom and survival. The chapters conclude with Hawat being rendered. This has been another Bookly Crash Course. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like and a comment to help out the Bookly Crash Course channel.